Let's draw together. Let's make it even more awesome by adding some colors now. Finished coloring? Now it is time to make it more fun with more coloring. Let's start. Red, green, yellow, pink, purple. Which one do you like the most? Thank you for joining today's drawing session. If you had fun, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more art adventures. See you in the next video.